In ancient Babylon, King Nebuchadnezzar built a golden statue and ordered everyone to worship it. 3 Jewish men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, refused, choosing loyalty to God over the king's decree. Furious, the king threw them into a fiery furnace heated 7 times hotter than usual. Miraculously, they were unharmed, and a 4th figure appeared with them, protecting them. Amazed, Nebuchadnezzar praised their God. This story teaches us that unwavering faith, even in the face of danger, can lead to miraculous deliverance and inspire others.